Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to reduce opacity in After Effects. Reducing opacity in After Effects is a simple process and can be done directly in the timeline or using keyframes for more dynamic changes. Here's how to do it. In your composition, choose the layer for which you want to reduce the opacity. With the layer selected, press the T key on your keyboard. This will reveal the opacity property for the layer in the timeline. Now drag the opacity slider to the left or enter a specific percentage to reduce the opacity. For example, setting the opacity to 50% will make the layer semi-transparent. Final tips. Shortcut. The shortcut for revealing opacity is by pressing the T on your keyboard. Exact control. Type in exact opacity values for precise control. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce the opacity of layers in After Effects to create transparent or fading effects in your compositions. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.